Welcome back friends, this is Ram here and it's 23rd tutorial on JavaFX 8. In this tutorial we are going to see a combo box action method with a text field and database. So this is the 23rd tutorial on the relation of combo box, text field and database. We are going to add one combo box action method in this tutorial. So before that I will execute the program and show you the what we have did in the last tutorial. So in the last tutorial we have added this combo box, and now in this tutorial we are going to set on action method for combo box. That is, when we click on any of the user information will appear in this text field. So let's start with the action method. So combo box dot set on action and I'm going to use a lambda expression. So now I'm going to create a string for the query equals to, I'm going to select all from user database table, where with the click of first name we are going to retrieve the database data into the text field. So I'm going to use this query, SQL query, to retrieve the database data into the text field. So pst equals to the connection con dot prepare statement, semicolon. Next I'm going to add one more set. So string index parameter say 1, and I'm going to use a string for the combo box. We are going to dot get selection model and dot get selected item. We are going to choose the combo box from the scene, and from the scene we are going to select the item from the combo box. So the next is this is the error because of we have to add a try catch block in the action method. So I'm going to surround with a try catch block, so it will resolve the problem. Next I'm going to execute the query. So rs equals to pst dot execute the query Now we are going to fetch the database data and set it into the text fields. So to do that, I'm going to add one while loop. So rs.next, with each row we are going to add the data into the database data into the text field. So first is the id dot set text, and in the bracket I'm going to get the value from the database. So rs dot get string, and column label is id. So I will copy this for the remaining. And next is first name, last name, email, username and password. So I will change here also. First name, last name, email, then username and password. So the next one more field has to be added, so that is the date. So to do that, I'm going to add a text field to retrieve the date. So date dot get editor and set the text for the date field, and in this bracket I'm going to add rs get string from the database, and the label is column label is date of birth. So we have done with the fetching the data into the application. So next I'm going to close the connection and close the result set. So now we have done with our program. Now save this and execute. So initial username and password I have set that Ram and Ram. So this is the combo box, and we have write an action method for the combo box. Now when we click any user, it will fetch the database content into the text field. So I will click now on Rahul, and see, this is the database contents that appears on the text field. That is the ID, the first name, last name, email ID, username, password and date of birth. Similarly, when we click on any other user, for example I have clicked on Sachin, John, the problem of the John is his date is not set. So next is Virat and Ram. The date of birth of Ram, user Ram, is not set, so it is blanked. Now Peter, Tony. So this is the tutorial 23rd on ComboBox, TextField and database relation. If you have any question about this tutorial, ask me in a comment section, or you can mail me on my email ID, that is alapureram@gmail.com. And finally, if you really like my work, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.